Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to repurpose chili. I'm calling this chili casserole, and I apologize if this offends some of you, but I do have a chili recipe on my channel. I've got the chili already made, and I didn't want just plain chili with crackers or chili with cornbread, so I'm going to put the chili in that dish and top it with some Jiffy cornbread. Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. So I've got cheddar cheese. Let me tell you the ingredients. I got cheddar cheese, my chili, got some fresh cilantro, and I have the ingredients for the Jiffy cornbread mix. I've got a third of a cup of milk and 1 egg. And it's supposed to cook for about 20 minutes, but I'll cook it until it's done, and then I'm going to take it out, top it with cheese, and put it back in the oven under the broil light. And those that know me, welcome back, and if you don't, I like to upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a crazy joke at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I got my Jiffy cornbread mix, and those that know me know that my channel is all about quick, fast, and easy meals because I really don't like to cook, and plus I'm married with no children, and my husband, I won't say he's picky, that's not fair, he likes what he likes. That's 1 egg, and he eats about, I'll be fair, about 75% of the stuff that I like, and the other things that I like I make in smaller portions or I freeze, and that's 1/3 of a cup of milk that I can eat later because he's not going to eat any chili. He doesn't like chili. So that's why I make stuff like this, and I apologize. Like I said, I already have my chili made. And also it's Nurses Week, so happy Nurses Week to you. It's Emergency Nurses Week. Nurses Week is in May. To all you nurses out there who are dedicating your lives to trying to help save other lives like myself. So I'm just getting this mixed up, and I mentioned that because today at work, I was off today, they are having they had a chili cook-off, and they wanted everybody to bring in their favorite chili or their best chili recipe and let everybody taste it. And I missed that. Not that I was gonna bring my chili, because they laugh when I didn't tell anybody when I started my YouTube channel. It's funny, I didn't say a word, because everybody knows I don't cook. So when I finally got exposed, they were like, you of all people who do not like to cook have a cooking channel. And I said I had to come up with a niche, something that I would be forced to do. Showing you how this looks. Doesn't take but a minute. And this is something that, I love food, I love to eat, so that's something that I'm always going to do. So it's kind of easy. I can get up 2 videos a week. I couldn't do any more than that because I don't cook any more often than that. I work every other weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the chili into this dish. And you guys know I have sprayed it with some Pam. I'm still trying to use up my Pam. I was in the store the other day. I didn't buy it because I have plenty of Pam left. I'm kind of resourceful. I saw an olive oil spray that is probably healthier than using Pam. One of my viewers told me that it has some kind of chemical in there that's not good. So I apologize for that. So now I am going to get another spatula. I forgot about that. And scoop this chili into, the cornbread on top of the chili. It's rather simple. So if you got chili and you want to do something different, I would suggest try this chili casserole, this cornbread chili casserole. And I'm just covering it with cornbread. And if you know how to make cornbread, which I don't, go ahead and make your own. Homemade recipe is probably fabulous. I just have never, in my 61 years of living, have ever made a pan of cornbread. So, and Jiffy's kind of sweet, and I like my stuff sweet. I wanted the honey cornbread, Jiffy cornbread, but when I went to 2 stores, they didn't have it. And then I said, just keep it simple, because I was going to add honey to this, which you can, but I decided not to do that. So I'm just going to spread the cornbread out, pretty thin layer of cornbread on top. And like I said, I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes or more until the cornbread is done. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top, some cheddar cheese, and then put that under the broil light just till it finishes cooking. See, it's nothing special. It's just a different alternative to plain chili if you want to serve that for your family. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, get this in the oven, and pull it out and show you what it looks like and tell you guys my joke. And like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I try and respond to all my comments. And I recently had a giveaway. I'm going to have another one very soon. A company reached out to me and sent me some fabulous knives, and they said they're going to give one away to someone. They're going to pick the winner, though. I must go ahead and tell you that up front. I have nothing to do with that based on your comment. So let me put you guys on pause and get this in the oven and then get this out and show you how the end product. Okay, everyone, I've taken it out of the oven. You see it's nice and brown. I'm going to go ahead and top that with some cheese and put it back in the oven for just a few minutes to melt the cheese. Now, if you're cooking this for a family or you really like cornbread, I would suggest using 2 boxes. But since it's just me, and those that know me know I'll be eating this all by myself, so I couldn't see the need of having all that extra cornbread because it would take me twice as long to eat. So I'm going to get this in the oven, get it ready, and pull it out, tell you guys my joke. And as I said, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. But I'll see you back in a few minutes to show you the final product. Okay guys, as you see, I added some fresh cilantro on top. And if you don't like cilantro, don't add it. I know some people in their DNA, it tastes like soap. That's just the way God made you. I think it's delicious. So like I said, that's optional. And plus, I think it looks pretty. So let me tell you guys my joke. A blonde was at a bus stop and it was her turn to get on. She became aware that her skirt was too tight to allow her leg to come up to height of the first step of the bus. Slightly embarrassed and with a quick smile to the driver, she reached behind her to unzip her skirt a little, thinking that this would give her enough slack to raise her leg. She tried to take the step only to discover that she couldn't. So a little more embarrassed, she once again reached behind her to unzip her skirt a little for the second time. She attempted the step. Once again, much to her chagrin, she could not raise her leg. With a little smile for the driver, she again reached behind to unzip the skirt a little more and was unable to still take the step. About this time, a large man who was standing behind her picked her up easily by the waist and placed her gently on the step of the bus. She went ballistic. She turned to the would-be Samaritan and yelled, "How dare you touch my body? I don't even know who you are." The man smiled and drawled, "Well, ma'am, I agree with you, but after you unzipped my fly 3 times, I figured we were friends." I thought that was pretty funny. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Please come back for the next one. And if you like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good evening, and God bless.